Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Kadai prawns recipe. The ingredients needed for Kadai prawn recipe is prawns 250 grams, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 green chilli. If it is small you can take 2. Red chilli powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, each 2 teaspoons or 1 teaspoon. Salt and curry leaves. Take the cleaned deveined prawns in a bowl and add little salt. I have cleaned it with salt and haldi already, that is turmeric powder. Then now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. This will remove the raw smell of the prawn while cooking, as well as 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And sprinkle the pepper powder over it and mix it very well. Now for marination I am adding the red chilli powder. It depends upon your spiciness. You can increase it to 2 teaspoon or you can use 1 teaspoon. Mix it thoroughly and leave it to marinate for 1 to 2 hours in the fridge with a lid over it. Now on a pan add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is heat, you can add curry leaves. See that the curry leaves doesn't have water or it might flutter up on to the face. And add the chopped or slit green chilies and the finely chopped onions needs to be added. For the onions to turn translucent, add salt. I have taken little onion chopped portion to be added after adding the prawns. Keep that aside and then saute it with the salt added to the onion. It becomes little translucent. That time you can add the marinated prawns. So I am just sauteing it, not till it becomes very well cooked. Just cook for 3 to 5 minutes at medium flame. Now adding the marinated prawns. It should be semi-cooked, so the water content of the onion will enter into the prawns as well. Now I am adding the fresh extra chopped onions. You can add little bit of oil at this stage, maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons for the onion and the prawns to cook well. Add salt also to taste. Now I am adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. You can use Kashmiri chilli powder for color. And now I am closing it and going to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Before that you can add little bit of coriander powder, which will give a nice aroma to the Kadai prawn. See to that there is enough oil, not too much, not too less, so that the Kadai prawn will become nice, thick and dry also. At this stage add little salt. Don't add all the salt at the single shot. Part by part, if you add it, it will be very tasty. See, closing it and cooking it, see how it has come out It's fully cooked. You can see the color, aroma is very good, and it is soft also. Either you can eat it with chapati or with rice. Kadai prawn is ready. Enjoy it.
If you liked the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.